Imagine starting a YouTube channel and in just 3 months, some of your oldest videos have gotten up to 1.3 million views. This channel already has over 66,000 subscribers and only 10 videos on this channel. Mind you, this channel started just 3 months ago. So what does this channel do? This channel tells African stories using AI generated images. So if you want to learn how to create AI generated images for your faceless YouTube channels or for whatever the case may be, then you want to watch this video to the end. The first thing we want to do in this process is to create a story script. And we are going to be using none other than ChatGPT to create our script for this story. So we are going to be putting in a prompt of what we actually want. So I need ChatGPT to give me like title ideas of some stories that I could use for this particular video. So I'm going to say give me a list of title ideas for an animated YouTube. So I'm just going to put it like that. I'm going to click on generate. So right now, ChatGPT has already given us a list of titles that we could use for our video. So right now, I'm just going to be picking one. I'm going to pick, let's just pick number 13. So the next thing we want to do is to now put a prompt for ChatGPT to create the story content, what we want, how we want the story to be like. Mind you, if you're a scriptwriter and someone who really knows how to write stories, you don't have to use ChatGPT and all of that. You can just create your own story by yourself. If you're a type of person that is having a tough time creating stories, then you can use ChatGPT as a guide. So right now, I'm just going to be putting in the next prompt that I want. So I put in the next prompt, give me a story to narrate with a voice for animated African story for a number. Since we're going to be choosing number 13, so I'm just going to put number 13. Then I'm just going to put in the prompt. So you can just go through whatever you want, how you want the video to be like. You can just put it in the prompt and just click on generate. So ChatGPT has already generated something for me here, and I'm going to be using it to create the image. So the next thing I want to do is to go over to Microsoft Designer to create the animated image. So I'll come over to Microsoft Designer, then I'll come over to the section that says get started with generative AI. I'll click on generate. So once you click on generate, this is the next page that you see. So all you have to do is come over to ChatGPT, copy the prompt that you want, and then the image will be created for you. So I'm going to come here and say village square during. So then just copy this and just come over to this place and put it there and click generate. So right now I'm just going to pick the picture I want. Let's say we're going for this one. Actually edit the pictures if you want. All you need to do is just click on it. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go ahead and download this image. Let's see what we get. So it has been downloaded. Let me come over here and get my second prompt. Let's say, okay, this is the scene, this is the detail. You can see that ChatGPT really created something very beautiful for us to work with. So I'm just going to come over here. Then now I'm going to put in this prompt and just watch it generate an image for me. So this is the image that was generated. So let's just get it. Let's just pick one. Let's pick this one. Image has been generated. We're just going to download it. So we're just going to do this. This is like just a repetitive action. So I'm just going to do it for like 2 more scenes before we go to the next thing. So I come over to this place. So the next step we're going to be doing now is to create the video in Canva. So we'll come over to Canva right now and create a design. When you get to create a design, you say YouTube video. When you say YouTube video, just click on YouTube video. So it's going to bring out the templates that we're going to be using. So the next thing we're going to do right now is import all of the images that we downloaded to Canva. So I'll come here, I click on files, then I come to download, then like all of the designs. Mhm. This is it. Open. So after uploading all the images, we now start putting them into the slide. The first one was this. So second, if you want to add another page, you just click like this. This is the second. Then the next one, this is it. Then the next one, which is this last scene. So let's just see how it looks like. Let's start from the beginning. So this is how it looks like basically. You can actually adjust if you don't want it to be that long, you can actually put your cursor on it, then drag it. It will reduce the time. It will reduce the timing. The next thing we want to do now is to add voiceover. So coming over to ChatGPT, you see this script. So you have two options, either to use 11 labs or you can actually do the voiceover by yourself. So if you look at those channels that do well, most of them try to do the voiceovers by themselves. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So the next thing you want to do is to add your voiceover, which I already have here. So I'm just going to come over to this place. I've already uploaded it. I actually did a voiceover with my phone, then I uploaded it on Canva. So I'm just going to be attaching it here. I will stretch out the voiceover. Let's see how it looks like. I need to expand some of the videos. So this is how you're just going to do it. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, let's see. Let me cut this. I'm going to be cutting this part that has like a break. Okay, just going to expand it. So we've come to the end of today's video. I do hope you got value. Please stay tuned because I'll be doing more of this type of videos just to explain step by step everything that you need to know and everything that you require to be able to set up your own faceless YouTube channel and start making money on YouTube. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel.